Your institution must keep up in today's fast-paced digital world, so your students are prepared for the next level. But teaching digital literacy can be challenging when your students and faculty are limited by their personal devices. Chromebooks, iPads, and old laptops can't handle the demands of today's digital literacy courses. And the lack of standardization makes advanced topics a nightmare to teach. That's where Grader Than Workspaces comes in. We're here to help your institution succeed in this rapidly changing tech landscape by leveraging the power of the cloud. Your students can now connect to preconfigured cloud computers, giving them everything they need to excel in their courses. Teachers have full control over their workspaces hardware and software customization, making it a breeze to set up in just minutes. And the best part, students can access their courses Grader Than Workspace from anywhere using any modern web browser on any device. Each Grader Than Workspace has a traditional desktop for all your general-purpose needs. Plus, students can start programming instantly in any language using our industry-standard browser-based VSCode development environment. VSCode is trusted by over 14 million developers worldwide. Security? No problem. Grader Than Workspaces are hosted remotely and isolated outside your institution's network. We're proud to have helped our K-12 districts and university partners nearly double their traditional computer labs capacity while saving them more than 74% compared to self-hosting and other methods. From introductory programming courses, data science, and esports, to advanced deep AI, cybersecurity, and so much more, Grader Than Workspace has got you covered. Try Grader Than Workspace today and experience a new level of digital learning and teaching. At Grader Than, this is where opportunity meets innovation.